Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, welcome. For this tutorial, I will be showing you something that's quite interesting, especially if you watch TV programs and all the game shows and so many competitions and the lotto or the gambling shows. There's so many ways that they use programmers to make games cheat, and you'll probably not notice. It might appear as if it's a random game or whatever it is, but to be honest, it's never random. Now I'll show you a little example here. Now I know this is gonna bring so many thoughts to people's minds, but let's just say they are just colors. Okay, now I import random to allow my program to pick at random as usual. Then I write a list, white, black, and brown. Then I say the chosen. Now this is the normal one. Okay, I can say random. Okay, dot choice, random dot choice, and I put my contestants. Actually, you know what? Let me just copy this. Okay, contestants. All right. Print. I put F there, and I say I put that, and I say print. No, print chosen. Okay, print chosen. Okay, that's my list, and I can add a few words, and I say print my list on a choice, and it says brown. Okay, do it again, it says black. Do it again, it says white. Okay, which means they all have equal chances of getting selected. Okay, now, but as a casino owner, I don't really want this to be the case. I want to be on the winning side. Okay, or as a I'm running a TV show, and let's just say I favor a certain color, maybe white. Okay, I can decide that I want white to stand more chances of winning than the others, and I can do that by doing this. I can say cheat list, okay, equals random dot choices. Now here's where I'm going to try and twist this around. Okay, I put my contestants there, which is my normal list. Okay, and then I can say I need the weights, which means I am now going to allocate the number of chances they can win. Okay, and I say that white has 10 more chances than anyone else. Let's actually make it even interesting, make it 50. Now white is 50 times more likely to be chosen than black or brown. Okay, I can do that. Then I can then say dodgy choice, or dodgy equals random. Okay, random dot choice. Okay, random dot choice. Okay, and I can put here my cheat list like that. Okay, I can put it right there, and now I am able to print the dodgy selection. Okay, and then I can say dishonest, dishonest, or let's say the unfair. Okay, fair and a fair choice. Okay, fair choice and unfair choice. Okay, like that, just like that. So really, when you're playing these games, you might think, oh, hang on, it's just three of us. One is white, one is black, the other one is brown. So we stand equal chances, but you don't really know how these games will play because there's this back-end coding that you won't see. Okay, all you see is the program picking random values. They can put some animation, just to fool you, just to entertain you. You see the animation things, bouncing about and everything, and numbers running so fast, and then one number comes up, and you think, oh, number one won. Then again, number one wins again. Number one wins again, and again, and again. It's because they stand more chances of winning. You probably won't notice that. Hang on. This is choices. Okay, choices. Now what you see there, it says unfair Now let me give it a line here so I separate them so you can see. Okay, now fair choice, white. It chooses white. This one chooses white as well, but look at this. White again, pick again, black, black, and again brown, brown. Okay, there's a little mistake here. Let me see. There, dodgy. Okay, I put dodgy there, and then we try again. Now look, the white is 50 times more likely to be chosen, okay, than others. Now look, this is pretty much going to be white all the way. Okay, let's count how many times. We're gonna count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. After 6 attempts, after 4 attempts, then black comes up. Then again, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Of all the 10 attempts, it's always been white. Black was only chosen once from this list. We can try it again. Okay, 1, white. 2, now here you see black, then brown. This one keeps changing, but this one is pretty much going to be white all the way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your eye here. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12. At the 12th attempt, that's when it changes from white to brown, but it's always been white, which means white is always going to win the game show. If the winner is chosen at random, white is always going to win. So I hope you have an idea right now of how someone can decide to favor one part over the other. Okay, all right, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video as well. Share it. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.